Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a PS4 in which the disc is not working. So today, we will replace its DVD reader. So, first of all, we will remove all the screws from the PS4 and also take out the hard drive cover. Unscrew and remove the hard drive. Unscrew the screws and remove the bottom cover as well. Disconnect all the connectors. Unscrew the disk drive. Remove the disk sensor and install a new sensor. Tighten all the screws properly. Connect all connectors. Plug in the hard drive. Let's check this now. We will insert the DVD. You can see that the DVD is working properly. We'll meet again in another video. Until then, bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.